All right. Hi, everybody. I am the Director of Marketing Technology for Keller Williams, as most of you know, for the Albuquerque, not all of Keller Williams. Today, we're going to talk about Authentisign and Instanet, how to use those while everyone is kind of staying in their home, just to make sure that you have multiple platforms that you understand for signatures. So let's get started. I like to access my Instanet through FlexMLS because I can never remember my passwords. So if you log in to your MLS and then just start typing Instanet, and you can see it comes up right here under menu items. Click on that, and now it takes you to Instanet. And this is what the home page looks like. So I'm going to create a transaction. This is very similar to creating a loop or starting a transaction inside of Command with DocuSign. They all kind of follow the same patterns. So create a transaction, and I'm just going to name it this for now. And let's say it's a residential purchase. Import data from MLS. I am going to go ahead and pull that data from MLS into this. And I am the buyer's broker. I'm going to use the wizard. Click create. All right, so now we've got a beginning of a transaction. What it's having us do right now is enter details, just like you would on DocuSign and .loop. So residential purchase, that's the street number. See, it pulled all of that information from MLS. I'm going to put in a purchase price. I think this is a listing from the Venturi team that I just found on the hot sheets, and I think it's 1.3. So let's go ahead and put that in. How many zeros is that? I think that's right. Okay. Earnest money. Wait, I'm on the buyer side. Okay. Okay. Comments. It has the legal description in here, so you can click on next or save and exit, whichever one you want to do. Next will just kind of guide you through all the dates, and so you can enter all your other dates here if you know them. Contacts. I see myself. I see Keller Williams. I'm going to add my buyer, and I can add an existing contact. I can add myself. If it's not there, I can add a contact from Google. I'm just going to create a new transaction person, and I'm going to name them, buyer, and it's going to be Tony Stark, because I'm obsessed with Robert Downey Jr. He's at Stark. Is it Industries? Stark something at Stark Tower. Okay. Legal name. If you know that they're going to be signing with a middle initial in their name, you can add that here, and then their preferred signature would be with the middle initial. And add your address book. Yes. Save. Forms. I haven't done any forms yet, so you can continue to go through this it's kind of like a Kelly guide where it leads you to each field, or you can save and exit. So if you're going to add forms from here, you click add. I'm going to save and exit just so you can see how else you can get to that. So over here on the right, we just did contacts. Now we're going to go to forms and add. Okay, so they have these split into groups. I'm on a purchase, so I'm going to scroll down to the purchase. And these are the 2020 forms. I'm just going to grab a short, let's say, buyer-broker agreement, because I want to lock that buyer down. Okay, so buyer-broker agreement. Obviously, if you're doing a listing or a purchase agreement, sorry, PA, you would pull that. You would pull whatever forms you need. You can add them all at the same time. All right, so that's in here now. Now I want to make sure that it has all the right information and fill out anything that it's missing. So I'm going to click on that. And it pulled in names from the details that I entered, which is awesome. I'm going to click on the little calendar to enter today's date and enter anything else I need, pretending that there are lots of other spaces here for me to enter information. You just fill it out like you normally do. Okay. Now we're going to go to sign. And yes. And participants, I'm going to click myself. This is the buyer broker agreement, so I'm pretty sure I have to sign. And then Tony. Add. Please check that everyone's in the right role. Oh, did I pick the wrong form? I don't know. Tony Stark. I'm not the listing agent. I thought I was picking something that's buying. Okay, I'm just going to add me as a reviewer right now. You guys know what you're doing.
Linda Hartman, you guest front desk. Linda Hartman, guest the front desk.
Documents. That's there. If I want to add more documents here, like, oh shoot, I forgot I was going to do whatever, you can add them here, from here. Now, design, this fourth step, is just like DocuSign, where it gives you one more opportunity to double check everything. I want to make sure that I've entered all the information, that the blocks are where they need to be. If I need to add blocks, I can drag and drop anything, initial. If I want that to be gone, I can hit delete on my keyboard, or I can hit the little trash can. If I need to change the name, if I pulled in the wrong name, there would be other names here if I didn't have myself as a reviewer. Then you could choose another name.
Jake Henson, you're the guest at the front desk. Jake Henson, guest at the front desk.
You can add check marks if you forgot to add a check mark somewhere. You can add text if you forgot to add text somewhere. Once this is all ready to go, you hit next and send invitations. If you want to get out of here, you forgot something, you can simply hit close. But I'm going to send invitations. So whoever has the email of Tony Stark maybe just got an email. I probably should put a fake email in there. All right, so once they sign, this will be a check mark. And that's kind of it. Then you can download the form and add it to your command. All right, if you have questions, please comment below. If you think you could do better in this video, I'm sure probably several of you can because you've been using it for a while. I haven't touched this in probably 5 years. Please make a video too, and I will show you how to put it on your command. If you want to see something that I haven't done yet, please comment below, and please, please, please subscribe so that all my efforts are not futile. All right, thank you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.